All right, guys. So now that we've left it to dry, I allowed it to dry for hours, about close more than 6 hours or thereabouts. I like to get dry. Yes, close to 6 hours. I like to get dry, and so I decide to. Is how you're gonna eat it.
Don't
Just
eat it.
allow you to, go around it. You just need the heat of the. So there's a heat gun. I'm going to show you the heat gun more on one of my videos. So I'll be using the heat gun. I'm just using all these methods so that even when you don't have the machines, you can use things that you can see around. So you don't need to have all those machines yet before you can make your shoe. These are the traditional methods that we use. So allow the heat to go around. Then once it gets, then so let me turn the camera. Then you begin to. Oops. Okay, so. So let's start fixing the sole gently. Make sure it gets to the right places that it needs to get to. Okay, so following through. So I'm going to check the back. As you can see, I'm making sure that the sole. Now this is where you need a sole presser. A sole presser. So if you don't have the sole presser, what you can just do is to, just place it at the edge of the table. And press like this, depressing the edges. Okay, I hope you can see this. Making sure that press the edges. You might need to apply force. As you can see, everywhere is being sealed. So once you apply a force, if you are using the sole presser, the sole presser will press everything once for you. So all the method I'm teaching you is something that you can do without the use of much machines. Okay, so here we go, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't it lovely? I guess I'm sure you like this. It's so looking so beautiful. Don't go on the lights. So we're looking perfect, beautiful, and lovely. So any gum stain that I see here, I'm still gonna remove it, and it's looking so perfect. But this is looking so beautiful and lovely, as you can see. So we do the same to the other leg, just the same way we did for this. Use your, you put it back a bit.
Fire!
I use the sole also of the shoe to just, you know, round. Maybe a bit hot, but you just hold it. It's not something that the rubber. This is a very quality. It can't melt. This is a high quality sole. If it was a fake sole to be melted, you can't even do it like this. So after that, let's let's make sure that we fix the sole on it from the edge of the sole, that's the toe. Then we start fixing it.
Not eat. Not eat it. See, we took care of everyone. That's how we call it.
So fix the back. Fix the back.
That's how it.
Then all the sides that you need to fix. Can you see? I fixed them. You can see how. So the same thing we did here. Before it gets cold, you can press this. Press the edges. So if you want any, you can take your mallet and don't use hammer, please. This is a mallet. You can use that to just eat it, and you can see everything is sealed here. It's well sealed. Everything here is well sealed. It's going to hold it because the reason why it's going to hold it is because I allow the gum to get to the necessary places that I need to get to, especially the edges. So there'll be little gluing I'm going to do for anything. I'm just going to use this direct and just move all the excess glues I'm seeing on the edges. Make sure you press it very well. Don't be in an hurry. Make sure you press it very well. Because we are not using a slow presser, so that's the one pressing that. So you just. So here we go. There we go. And this is our Oxford shoe. That is the Oxford shoe. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to leave it for some time, maybe hours, and I'm going to remove the last. Before I remove the last, I'm going to remove all the gum at the edges, so that everything will be looking so perfect. So I'll just take something a bit sharp I can use just to bring out some of those gums I see at the edges. So this is just me trying to finish up and making it look so perfect and neat. So they're just small gum lines. It's not something much. It's just for us to have it cleaned up. It's just little gum lines. So as you can see, I'm moving them. Just look for something a bit um, dull and the mouth looks sharp. I mean, it looks narrow rather, so that it will not be tearing off the leather. So I do this round for my shoes.